Confused by Walmart's shipping settings? In this video, I'll show you the exact way to update your shipping profiles step by step on Walmart Seller Center. So changing your fulfillment shipping profile will make your sales increase potentially. Just like this item right here, it's a Pokemon trainer. You can see it arrives by May 21st. That's almost 5 days from today. So how do we make this faster so that way the customer receives the item, we can generate more sales, because you know everybody wants things fast in today's world. So the first thing you're going to do is log into Walmart Seller Center. You're going to go in the top right hand corner, click on this gear icon, it's the settings, and it's going to look something just like this. Now you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on the shipping templates icon. This is the first place you want to go. Once you're here, it's going to look just like this, and then what you're going to do is edit the template. So click edit template right here, and now you're in here, and then you can change the transit time. So mine's on 7 days. I would change it to 6 days, right? That's the minimum. Next is you can go to the standard delivery, and then you can turn this on, standard shipping enabled. And now you can do, instead of transit time, 3 days. You can charge extra shipping, right? And then you can try to enable 2-day shipping. You have to request access for 2-day shipping, but I'm telling you right now, it even says right here, get buy box boost and increase visibility on Walmart, aka pretty much generate more sales if you have a faster shipping speed. So you're gonna wanna request access for this. Once you're done optimizing this, click Save Template, right? The next thing you wanna do is go into your settings, and then you're gonna go up. After shipping template, you're going to go up and click on shipping info. So this is another section. And now you can select days that your shipping carrier will transit and deliver packages. So you want to turn on that it will deliver on Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to help you as well. Remember, if you're shipping via USPS, they don't deliver on Sunday, but all the other companies, from my experience and knowledge, they do. So you're going to turn this on. Of course, request access to 1-day and 2-day shipping. And then if you have any additional days off, you can turn them on in here and then click that save button. The last place you're going to want to go is the ship with Walmart button. So you're going to scroll down and click ship with Walmart. And now these are just some extra bonus settings if you want to turn them on, if you want to have the different label formats. Maybe you didn't know you could do this. Custom packages. And then insurance or signature on delivery. A lot of people try to scam you. So you can enable signature on delivery. Just know it's going to piss some people off because nobody wants to sign or be home. But again, these are some other areas that you can edit. But that's it for today's video. What more Walmart seller tips do you want me to create videos of? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, design, advertising, listing quality score, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like trying to manage your ads or doing your designs yourself. We're going to be doing it for you so we can fix issues, help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.